Okay, so now we're going to make a triangle shape. And again, there's two ways to do this. I'll do my angles like this. I'll get rid of my top and my front, or my right, so you can just see the front. And I'm just going to make a rectangle again, or a square. 2 inches by 2 inches. There we go. And I'm going to extrude it the same way I've been doing. Here's the extrusion. We'll make that 2 inches deep so it's a perfect cube. Here you see, oops. Sorry, my computer's being weird. There you go. So in this video, we're going to cut a triangle out of this rectangle. So I will start a sketch again. It's going to ask what I want to sketch on. I'm going to sketch on this actual face. So I'm actually sketching on the shape that I already made. And what I will do is, again, I'll make another square sketch, and I'll find that point, and I'll just outline the whole outline of my cube. So there's just a new rectangle on my cube. Now I'm going to take a line, and I'm just going to make sure that I point at this point, and I get to this point. And now when I press extrude, there's two shapes I can extrude. I can extrude this shape, or I can extrude this shape. Whichever one I want to get rid of, click, because they auto click too. So just click one of them. And then I'm going to extrude that 2 inches, and I'm going to remove it. So instead of adding 2 inches to it, I'm going to remove 2 inches. So now it's going to remove 2 inches of this extrusion. I'll click check mark. And now I have myself a triangle. Let me show you one other trick you could do. Here we are in our original square that we made. Get us all focused. And I just made a regular square, remember? Well, while I'm at this regular square, and I'm in my sketch, I can just take a line tool. Again, this is all the beginning. You know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's start from the beginning. So let's say when I'm making my sketch, and I'm sketching on my front, I'm in my front. Let's do this. Let's take my rectangle. Let's make another 2 inch by 2 inch rectangle like we did before. Now let's take the line tool beforehand. Go line to line. So now I have two shapes. Now I'll go to extrude, and there's two shapes. I'll unclick one of them. So I only have this one. And I'll do new, and it's going to add to this, even though I don't have to write add. I'll just keep it at new. Change it to 2 inches. And now you see the same exact shape. Cool. Two ways to make a triangle.